Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel. So today we are going to start our new topic, that is data handling. In data handling, we are having a piece of information in numerical facts, and we have to arrange that numerical data into systematic way so we can easily grab the information which we are required from that data. Okay. So let's see what we are having here. So So first we are going to do that what we are having here, that is more about bar graphs and circle charts, or we can say that pie charts also. Okay, then here we are having a tabular presentation. Let's see, here we are having name of the train, and here we are having number of coaches there. If we see here intercity, that is how many coaches are there? 4. Chennai Express 6. Garib Rath, that is 10. So these are the tabular presentations of the data. Next is, here we are having the name of the train and the number of coaches in a picture form, and one coach represented by two coaches. Okay. If we are having picture of one coach, that represents two coaches. Okay. Okay. So that means Mewar Express, how many coaches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 twos are 8. So there are 8 coaches there. Clear? So come to our next part. So here we are having answer. Okay, here we are having answer the following questions. Okay. That is, which train has the least number of coaches? So we have to see the graph or data, and least number of coaches are there in intercity. So we are going to write here, that is intercity train. Clear? Okay, next come to question number 2. Here we are having read the bar graph given here, answer the question. Okay, let's see what we are having here. How many students like grapes? Okay, let's see the graph first. So here we are having fruits on the x-axis. Okay, so कट कर देना जरा, ये जो ग्राफ में numbers लिखे हैं. Okay, here we are having 7, 8 students. Here we are having 6, 6, and here we are having 10, and here we are having 12 students. Okay, so let's see the questions here. Let us read the bar graph given here, answer the questions, and let's see B part. Which fruit is like the most of the students? That is mango. So we are going to write here, that is mango. Then how many students like mango? So we are having 12 students. So we are going to write 12. After that, move to our next part, that is more about graph. So here we are having name of state, sorry, and number of rivers are flowing through them. So here we are in Madhya Pradesh. There are 9 rivers, Kerala 7 rivers, Uttarakhand 2 rivers, Maharashtra 4 rivers, Himachal Pradesh 5 rivers, Rajasthan 4. This information presented using a bar graph. Okay. So here we are having a bar graph. So okay, here we are going to take the states, and here we are going to, sorry, here we are going to take the number of rivers. Clear? So then we are having a questions. Okay, now here we are having our exercise 12, and we will see what we are having here. There is Arav and Gaurav went to the survey to survey the colors of different cars in parking lot of a mall. The information is presented in bar graph. Answer the following questions. What is the title of the graph? So title of the graph, let's see what we are having graph. Number of cars of different colors. So we are going to write the title, that is different color cars. Okay. So we are representing the number of cars with different colors. So what is on the horizontal scale? Horizontal scale means this x-axis. So here we are having color of cars. Okay. So now we are having next question, that is question number C, which is on the vertical scale of the graph. This is a vertical scale and here we are having number of cars. So we are going to write number of cars. Okay, next is how many gray cars are there in the parking lot. If we are looking for it, gray cars 1, 2, 3, 4. So here we are having 8 cars. Next is car of which color is maximum in the parking lot and what is its number? Okay, the maximum number is this one. This is white and here we are having 20. Okay, next is car of which color are least in the parking lot. What is their number? Least means that is black and we are having 4. So here we are having black cars, that is least in number and we are having 4 cars there. Clear? Okay. This types of question are there. You have to solve it. Next is circle chart or we can say that pie chart. Okay, here we are having circle chart. It is used to represent and compare information and it is the type of graph in which circle is divided into sectors, just like here. We have divided the circle into 3 parts and each section represents a part of the whole. So we are having a circle, we have divided into different sections and each section tells us about what information it is having according to our whole part. Clear? So let's see what we are having here. Okay, let's see. Here we are having a graph, sorry, pie chart or chart graph. That is, this is for primary, this is middle class, pre-primary, high school and college. Okay, which section do most of the children go? So here we are having primary section. Okay, next is B part. What fraction of the total children goes to the middle school? For middle school, we are having this one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 by 4th part. Clear? So this type of questions we are going to ask from this chapter. Okay, now we are having our exercise, that is 12B. Let's see what we are having. Question number 1. Aditya collected information from his friends on the cartoon characters. Okay. The cartoon characters here we are having Bheem, Chutki and Raju. Then they like the most from Chota Bheem and represented in it in a circle graph. Okay. Answer the following questions. Next we are having A part. Is there any character that is liked more than the other character? So I think this whole set is divided into 3 equal parts. So we can say that no, there is no any character which is liked more by other character. Each character is like what fraction of his friends. So here we are having 3 equal parts. So we can say that 1 by third of fraction. Yeah. Next is if Alicia has 45 friends, then how many of them like each character? So Alice have 45 friends and everyone liked 1 by third of it. That means 50. So each character is liked by 15 friends. Okay, let's see question number 3 also. The circle chart given here represents some of the main features of Kerala. Okay. So here we are having crop art, waterfall, cities, river and this mountains. Okay, let's see what we can do here. So question number 1, we have to put true and false. Okay. Question number 3, A part. The number of cities and the number of rivers in Kerala are equal in number. Okay, number of rivers and number number of cities. Okay, cities we are having this and rivers. Yes, these are two equal parts. We can say that it is true. Next is the number of mountains in Kerala is less than the number of crops. Mountains we are having this and crops we are having this. Which one is bigger? This mountain part is bigger. So here is lesser than. Okay, so this will be false. Next is C part. The number of waterfalls is more than the number of rivers in Kerala. Waterfalls is more. So waterfalls and rivers. So which one is bigger? This one. So it is also false because number of rivers are more than the number of waterfalls. If the circle represents 20, okay, the number of cities in Kerala is 5. Okay, o- okay, let's see if circle represent 20 and if we see the cities is 1 by 4th part, if we solve it, we are having 5. So, number of cities in Kerala is 5. Yes, it is true. Okay, so these types of information we have to collect from these types of sources just like pie chart, bar graph. So, this is our data hanging. So, thank you so much, student, for listening us carefully. See you next video. Till then, all the best.